Okay, so what I'm going to do is do some videos to go over some of the problems from the packet for you, so like a problem from each section so you know what to do. So you'll all need to either write down notes or do it on the packet while you're working, watching the video, just like you have normal class. You don't have to do Khan Academy and the packet, you only have to do one or the other. If you want to do both, that's great, because that'll probably help you out more. If you have questions on any of them and you still don't know what to do, you can message me a reminder Google Classroom and I'll do a video explaining how to do the problems that you're stuck on still, okay? So let's get started. So number one is a proportion problem, and we have one variable, we have the binomial, it's got stuff with it, okay? So we call those type 2, okay? So we're going to cross multiply. So 2 times 10 gives you the 20, and the 6 needs to multiply by both things, okay? So 6 times x gives you 6x, 6 times 10 gives you 60, okay? So then what we're going to do is we have to get x by itself. So you're going to subtract 60 from both sides. Okay, so 20 minus 60 is negative 40. Bring down the 6x, okay? So then you're going to divide by 6 to get x by itself, because 6 is multiplying by x, okay? So then what you're going to do is you bring down the negative 40 over 6, and those are both even numbers, so you can simplify it more. So if we divide by 2, you get negative 20 over 3, and you can leave it like that. I'm perfectly fine with you leaving it as a fraction. If you want to make it a decimal, go for it, but that's fine, okay? Alright, so let's look at this one. This one's got n plus 8 and an n over here, okay? So, and they're not going to end up multiplying by each other. They're going to be different places. So, that makes it a type 3, okay? Alright, so we're going to multiply. So n times 8 gives you 8n, and then both of these have to multiply by 9, okay? So 9 times n gives you 9n, and 9 times 8 is 56, okay? So we have to get the n's together, so we're going to subtract 9n from both sides. So 8 minus 9 is negative 1n, and then bring down our 56. Okay, so to get n by itself, we're going to divide by negative 1. So you have n equals negative 56. Okay, so I feel like you all are going to be fine on proportion problems, but there's a review in case you need it. Alright, so in these problems, they're having you find the missing sign length, and they already told you they're similar. Okay, so that means you can set up for proportion. Alright, now you know me, I don't like the question mark, I like to put an X there to show that's what I'm trying to find, okay? If they give you multiple sides, you definitely need to use the sides that go together with the X, okay? And then you can choose whichever one you want to do. So I'm going to do the 24 and the 4. It's up to you though. You could do 36 and 6 if you wanted to. Alright? Now, key thing is, wherever you start it, you have to do it for both fractions, okay? So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go 18 goes to X. So 18 over X equals, so I'd have to start here and come over, so 24 goes to 4. Okay, and now I can just cross multiply. This is just a type 1 because there's only one variable. So you're going to do 18 times 4 and 24 times x. So you're going to get 24x, and then 18 times 4, so 72. Okay, then we're going to divide by 24 on both sides. So you're going to get 72 over 24, which equals 3. Okay? So that's how to do those types of problems. And I'm going to put another video up to show you the rest.